$500. That's it. That's all you need to launch a real online brand in 2026, and I'm going to prove it to you in this video by showing every single dollar on screen right now together. Every time I tell you what to buy and why, I'm subtracting it from your balance so you can see exactly where your money is going and what you have left. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to start, and honestly, you might not even have to spend more than $100. Just watch the video until the end. If you're new here, my name is and I talk about all things online brand building. If you're sitting here trying to figure out which business to open, how to start, how much money to spend, trust me when I say I am your person, because I've launched a series of businesses and tried many things until I finally found something that makes me a lot of money and also gave me complete freedom over my life. I bought a grocery store, I built a 10,000 square feet event venue, I drop shipped clothes, I opened a cafe. Trust me, the list is very long, but I finally found a winner, which is exactly why I launched my YouTube channel, so I can share all my secrets with you. So make sure to watch this video until the end, because this might just be the most important business decision that you make this year for yourself. If you like this type of content, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more. That helps me out so much. Now let's get into it. First things first, you need a home base for your store. This is where people are going to land, browse, and buy from you. So we're starting at step number 1. You can use Shopify. It's a trusted e-commerce platform and it's built for selling. Setting it up is actually super straightforward, even if you've never built a website before. Now, normally Shopify runs at about $39 a month, but with my link in the description box below, you will get Shopify for the first 3 months for just $1. So step number 1, we're just spending $1. You've got your store. That's step number 1 done. And if you want a step-by-step tutorial on how to set up your store, of course, I'm going to link down a tutorial for you in the description box below, and for every other step mentioned. Also, don't worry, I got you. I have full tutorials all going to be linked down below. Now, your step is live, but it's empty. You need a product to sell. And this is where most beginners waste months trying to figure out manually suppliers, shipping, tracking inventory, blah, blah, all of that. But I'm going to simplify it for you, and I'm going to introduce you to a software that's going to make your life much simpler. AutoDS is going to handle everything for you. It connects you to suppliers, automates your order fulfillment, and lets you import products into your Shopify store in minutes. You choose the product, AutoDS handles the rest, and with my link, you're gonna get the first 3 days for $1, and after that, it's $39 per month. So let's subtract $39 from our balance, because you will definitely need it for longer than 3 days. Store, product, done. Okay, now this one I need you to pay very close attention to, because this is genuinely, in my opinion, the most underrated tool you can now have as a new brand owner. Claude, but not Claude free, Claude Pro, $20 a month. Claude is gonna be your AI assistant. If you're working all the time, you have family, friends, blah, blah, yada, yada, life, you need someone that's gonna help you run your business. Claude is gonna do that for you. You're gonna have your own AI assistant. The way I use this in my business is different. I've set up mine as a dedicated business assistant that knows my brand, knows my voice, my offers, my audience. It handles strategy, content ideas, scripts, customer service, responses, product research, things that would normally take me hours, handled in minutes. I'm actually filming a full dedicated video this week showing you exactly how I set up my own AI business assistant using Claude Pro, and how you can copy my exact setup for your own brand. So if you are not subscribed to my channel yet, do it now, because that video is going to save you serious time and money. Now let's subtract $20 from our balance. You now have your website, your product, and your own AI assistant running your business behind the scenes. The foundation is done. Now you need sales. You have $440 left. Now, I want to talk about something most beginners completely skip, and it ends up costing them a lot of money. What happens after someone visits your store, right? They go on your little website, but they don't buy. They just leave, even if they added something to their cart, but they don't end up checking out. And of course, you never hear from them ever again. You never get that sale. I know you've done that too, where you went shopping online and you didn't end up checking out. I've done that too. But here's what we're gonna do, okay? We are always gonna go and get those clients, and we're always gonna make sure they end up checking out, and I'm gonna teach you how. This is exactly why I use OmniSend and why they're sponsoring today's video. OmniSend is an email and SMS marketing platform built specifically for e-commerce. It lets you automate your follow-up, so you're converting people who already showed interest in in your brand. Abandoned cart sequences, welcome flows, post-purchase emails, all set up once, running in the background while you focus on growing your business. And with AI now built into their platforms, it's faster than ever to get everything set up. If you're building an online store, and I know you are because you're watching this video, this one is not optional. This is infrastructure. I'm gonna leave the link in the description box below. You can get 30% off your first 3 months using the code RITU, meaning your first month is only $11.20, so let's subtract that from our balance. All right, now let's talk about content, because this is where a lot of you get stuck, and I want to break it down in a way that actually makes sense and also doesn't cost you too much money. You have $428.80 left. And here's the reality. You need content. People need to see your product being used by real people to actually want to buy it. That's just how e-commerce works in 2026. Now, you have two options here, and I want to be very honest with you about both options. Option one is hiring real people, so creators, to film videos with your products, also known as UGC creators. I've done this. It's annoying, it's expensive, people ghost you, the turnaround time takes forever, and the quality is inconsistent. And by the time you've gone back and forth with the person, you've already wasted weeks and probably over $300 on one creator alone. Option two, and this is what I actually recommending right now, especially for a new brand. AI generated UGC using a platform called Create UGC. In other words, AI videos. This lets you generate videos of AI avatars holding, reviewing, and demonstrating your product. The quality is genuinely impressive. Just look at these AI generated videos. For a new brand, you ideally want to be posting every single day. Now, the scale plan on Create UGC gives you 20 videos a month, AI voices in 30+ languages, social ready formats, and multiple video lengths, either 15, 30, or 60 seconds. That's $39.90 a month, but with my link, you get the first 3 days trial with up to 3 videos, so you can test it out before paying anything. And let's just say you end up getting the paid plan. Now you're gonna have $388.90 left in your balance. Now, here's my honest suggestion. Those 20 AI videos cover your daily content, but the other 10 videos you post that month, make those yourself. A simple demonstration of the product, unboxing it, showing it in real life, that mix of AI content and real content you make is the strongest strategy right now. It keeps you posting consistently while still building the human connection your audience needs. And if you genuinely don't want to film any content at all, you can upgrade for the max plan for 50 videos a month, but that's your call. So where does this leave our balance? Well, we've spent $111.10. I love the 111. You have $388.90 still in your pockets. Now, should you run ads? Here's my honest take, and I say this as someone who has spent a lot of money on ads. As a beginner, do not rush to do paid ads. I know that's not what the internet tells you, but hear me out. When you're new, you don't know yet which content is going to get you sales, right? Because you're completely new, you have no data. You don't know which angle, which product demo, which hook is going to make someone stop scrolling and actually buy from you. And if you put ad spend behind content you're not sure about, you're basically just paying to find out what didn't work. The smarter move is to post as much organic content as you possibly can. Let the algorithm tell you exactly what's working. When one video starts getting views, getting saves, getting comments, that's your signal. That's the video you put money behind, because now you know it converts. Spend the $388 if you want, but only after you found a winner. That's it. Now you can have a full online brand for as little as $111.10. All of the links I mentioned, Shopify, AutoDS, Claude Pro, OmniSend, Create UGC, everything is linked in the description box below. Most of them have free trials, so you can start literally today with almost zero risk. And one more thing, I'm now hosting free weekly live calls where I walk you through launching your own online business step by step live with me. No replay, no wait list, just real-time strategy and answers. The link to join is going to be in the description box below. If this video helped you, subscribe, because the Claude Pro video is dropping this week and it's going to change how you run your entire business. I'll see you there. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.